Yo traders, what's good? Welcome to the channel. If you've already subbed up, then you know that is love every time. So let's just get straight onto these charts. So I'm looking at NASDAQ as usual, my favorite pair, but I will look at US 30 just to see what's going on. Yeah, US 30 is still not looking as clean as NAS in my eyes. This is how I decide. I look at them both and think, right, which one's looking like it's trending better or, you know, got better structure? It's clearly NAS. Or in my eyes, it's clearly NAS anyway today. So this looks beautiful to me. NAS is trending absolutely beautiful. First things first, I know the overall direction on the 5-minute time frame's up, but you know, go to the 50-minute time frame is very, very bullish. I always explain as well to people, I'm not expecting things to just keep going up and not coming back for a pullback. So let's just stick to what we do. So I'm going to stick to the 5-minute time frame today and NAS100. I'm not going to go to the 1-minute time frame and get it all confusing for people, because realistically, I know a lot of you are beginners and you're looking to learn and be consistent with one strategy. So I'm going to stick to the 5-minute time frame, and we're going to be doing the same thing pretty much every day. I'm just going to be looking for support and resistance areas. So of course, I like to do this on the 5-minute time frame without moving to any other time frames firstly. So we mark up the most recent clear areas on the 5-minute time frame, and I explain how I do this all the time. Literally wherever price has bounced from, and then it breaks through and bounces from it again. So it's using it as support and resistance. That's an area there. Now obviously the most clear resistance area where price is pushed down from is there, and that's without even scaling out to a higher time frame. So if we do go to higher time frames now and go over to the 4-hour, well, it couldn't be this area because price is already higher than this area. So it'd have to be somewhere around this area. So what I'm going to do is just get my box and I'm going to draw. Just say this for a minute. That's an absolute massive area, right? But I explain all the time, it's a whole area. Think of it as a zone. So this is the whole area that price can get up into. I'm not expecting price to come and bounce from this part of the box or this bit or this bit or this bit. It can come in and do whatever it likes in there. It can break above, it can break below, whatever. But this is an area price has reacted from multiple times. So it bounces from it there, bounces from it here, and then when it's back there, it bounces from it again, and it's just being reacted from. So there's the most recent area. You can pull it down a little bit if it looks better in your eyes and cleaner. Just take it into consideration, that's all. If price was to come down now on the 5-minute time frame and completely smash this area and show it no respect, then I'll move it down. I'll move it down to there. So it'd be the most clear area again where it's been tapped into. From there, there, you get a picture. So that's just how I do my support and resistance. I explained on yesterday's video as well that instead of just using it to trade from, you can actually use it as a target to trade into. So keep that in mind. So now I have some areas and supports and resistance zones kind of marked up. All I do now is draw breakout lines. So these breakout lines are going to have to be where structure obviously haven't been broken yet. So originally I would have put it there. This candle have come and broken through. So you can see there was structure making higher highs and higher lows, and then it gets broken through. So I can't use that area no more. It's going to have to be this area. So these are things you just got to keep in mind. Also, if price did come and break through this line now, I'm looking, and what is this? A support and a resistance area. So it could just use it to carry on up. So you've got to keep all of this stuff in mind. So all we can do now is wait for the open. We're looking for clean breaks, and it has to be on the New York Open or after. You don't need to be ready to press buy or sell as soon as the market opens, and that's when we can get in and out. But also there's a lot of fake outs on that first 5-minute candle, so just keep that into consideration. But that's why I like to do the 2 trades a day rule, where I'm risking 0.5% of the account to you know, potentially take 2 trades if I have to, and if I lose twice, then that's 1% all in all. So I'm done for the day. Let's see what it gives us today. So we're pushing up. Wow, what the fuck,
Order
man?
filled.
I'm going to add another 5 just to make
Order
that stop
filled.
loss tighter. Say 250. Cool. So I'm going to move to break even. Maybe it was a little bit soon, but I'm already a 1-to-1, so I got a little bit late. My entry was definitely late. I was fucking around looking at the phone. But it's still pushing nice. Still pushing nice. Add to it.
Order filled.
Add to it.
Order filled.
So that's 635 where it stands. We're at break even.
Order filled.
All right, cool. Nice. I'm done. That was a lovely trade and I'm happy with it. Need to get a little thumbnail of that quickly. Lovely stuff. That's a beautiful example of a MambaFX breakout strategy. That's the shit that we're looking for. That's a fat dub. Let me know in the comments anyway if you lot caught that. Also, if you're looking for a broker with razor tight spreads, check out Fusion Markets. The link is in the description. But until next time, you know that I salute you all. Bless up.